Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna be playing Beach Buggy Racing. I know you guys might be confused, but let me break it down. We're doing 12-day marathon of playing old games below the release date of 2014. I know this might sound crazy, but this is actually our first video in this channel. We had other channels, but they were not that good. But I really think this gonna get viral. Like, yeah. So please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like the video and just keep watching. We'll be posting daily, and no trouble's gonna come to you. And please subscribe. It really helps us a lot, believe me, a lot, to make more skits for you guys. So we're gonna be playing Beach Buggy 100 HP game, and we're gonna keep uploading. Like tomorrow we might do another game that's below 2014, so please enjoy. Wow, I really just love the cinematic mode in Beach Buggy Racing. Whoa, it's been long since I played this video game. Good. Whoa. Playing on keyboard is just like playing on a one-way road. Wow. This place looks pretty red, and I know what's named Red Planet because a teleporting guy plays this challenge here, I think. I completed this game once, and it wasn't so good. I spent all my days, all my money, in charging my phone to play Beach Bug. But now it's on PC, so what the heck, man? Let me just keep playing. And this one might come soon. Good. I just like when people fly out of proportion. Like gravity's gonna be like, hey you, why are you up? You're on Earth. Yeah, I just like it. Gravity, you're the best. Speed! Yeah. Speed. Oh, check it! You loser. Get out of here. Yeah, I got into a trap. That's not bad. I know I'm gonna secure third place. I pretty know I'm gonna secure third place. That's because I edited the video, so I already know. As you can see by the left bottom corner of the video, it says subscribe. So if you're not already subscribed, well, what are you waiting for? Just click the subscribe button. It's free. It's just helping the video to grow more and more, and you can just 110 coins. That's pretty amazing. I said it. It was pretty amazing, and now it's amazing. Now let's go into Crab Cove and choosing Beach Buggy. Now you're choosing Res, then select. Whoa. The cinematic mode in Beach Buggy is just so incredible. I'm being serious out here. It's just so incredible that it makes me feel energized. I wonder how these guys pop up. Like they just jump at the middle of the race. Please comment down below how they normally do it so I can do it anytime I'm playing alone. Don't worry, it's not just gaming we have outdoor activities, we have indoor activities, we have gaming and the rest of them. just subscribe. You're gonna enjoy it. We're just growing now, but we've got plenty of things to keep for you guys. You guys are the best. Yeah? You're literally gonna win. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah. That go button says subscribe. So if you're not already subscribed, you're drawing us back. So just subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. 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 Yeah. Oh, Bitch Bug is gonna be hard. Was that an earthquake? Out of bounds. Yeah. I know it. Out of bounds. This place literally. One thing about Bitch Bug is that obstacles block me from every step of my way. Because obstacles are like never-ending troubles. You hit an obstacle, you sure get in last position because your mate is just going and you just stay back hitting the obstacles. Whether obstacles or obstacles, yeah. Obstacles. Popsicles. Yeah, I'm gonna take 6th because of obstacles. Oh no. 6th position. Said it. Subscribe. Now let's play. Oh, yeah. Let's play Shark Harbor. Bitch Buggy and Res, yeah, as usual. Wow, nice logo you got there. Cinematic mode is just the best. Wow. Obstacles, please just subscribe. It helps to remove the obstacles because it gives me a last place, which is literally the worst. This fireworks should work during Christmas. Yeah, they're better off in Christmas than now. Yeah, we finished the first lap. We're on to the next one. Chicken. Obstacles. That's not real good English, but whoa, what is this vehicle with obstacles? We were in 5th place, which is like wrong actually. Yeah, it's gonna hit the obstacles. Subscribe. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, he's just turning around. But that's not where I catch you. Subscribe so it will stop spinning a walk. Yeah, I'm gonna say it like Carol. What's going on? Why is my tire as big as my dad's? Yeah, come on. Oh, we just learned a valuable lesson. I suck at Bitch Bug. Please, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We post daily, and we're gonna be doing 2 update marathon on games, old games actually. Please subscribe.